Hello, welcome to the channel The House of Solutions, and today the video review is very interesting. We will talk about a solar energy system that has as name Solar Switch, that teach you to have an alternative and renewable energy, the good and famous green energy. Throughout the video you will discover everything that is really important and its benefits, so pay close attention, so that you do not make mistakes when using or purchasing Solar Switch. What is this Solar Switch? It is the device that uses sunlight as an energy source, and turns it into energy for your home. It is very easy to build the platform, just follow the instructions. When you buy the course you get the complete guide, the instructions, really everything you need. Solar Switch, this program will teach you how to build your own platform, do all the steps without spending the money that you would spend with a solar energy system provided by a contractor. In addition, you will notice the difference in your energy bill, the price reduction, and seeing that more money will be left over for you. Be on the alert to the site of purchase, be very careful with the site that you will buy the Solar Switch, because it is only sold on the official site, and to help you, I left the official site link below in the description and in the comments. The Solar Switch system needs only 5% of the surface used in conventional solar panel systems, because of its vertical design that can contemplate the entire surface of the platform and occupy less space in your backyard. Another positive point is, there is no need for maintenance. The Solar Switch provides clean and easy energy, and with the teaching will help you save energy even more in times of energy crisis. Really, you can trust this product. There are many people who really approve the Solar Switch system. The Solar Switch has its guarantee for 60 full days from its purchase. If you do not see results or if you do not like it for any other reason, they return your money. Another important point is that because it is a green energy source, and with that there will be no pollution. So be safe to use the course, learn how to make your solar energy system, but be sure you are buying from the official site to get the benefits of the warranty. For this the link is already available in the video description and in the comments. So, I decided to record this video, because it is a unique opportunity for you to acquire a product that really teaches you step by step and that is very detailed, in addition to various benefits, and will be an investment that really pays off and will make you save a lot. Buy only on the official site, which is already here in the description, and if you buy the product, follow the instructions. And if you want more videos about courses or books on renewable energy, about generators, and even green energy, leave them here in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Jesus loves you.